You already know what it is. I want a little baby one. Would you get this little baby? You got the little baby. They have pink. And they have orange. And I have like like a reddish color. Pick me one, babe. Thank you. Plants. Oh my God. That's crazy. Oh my God. That's horrible. They're all just dying under there. I wish I could save y'all. If I could save y'all, I would buy 1, 2, 3. All y'all. It's getting lots of good sun out here. We're right here next to the highway. These should just, I guess technically you're just buying the pot. Because these are gone. I don't know, maybe the cold front. It must have got real cold. Oh my God. Look at all this money. I like that. I like that. They're like extremely soft. Oh my gosh. Dang. Are these on sale? $2. I feel like I could help you. I don't know. Maybe not.
Yeah, to stimulate my mind with some metaphysical, fire breathing conversation.